So we've all heard the expression, fake it till you make it, right? But what's behind that? Every day with my son, we do affirmations on the way to school. Now that's something that my wife started to do, and it's brilliant because when you say something every day, I am rich, or I am grateful, or I am kind, or I am wonderful, or I am abundant. Anytime you say I am, the words that follow that I am, that's affirming who you are. You're speaking to your subconscious and you're bringing in more of that vibration, okay? Now, I'm not going to get into the science or the spirituality of why everything is vibration or energy because I'll save that for a different video. I want to talk about how the power of your words can affect your life. Now, every day on the way to school, we do these vibrations. We do these affirmations. And with him, sometimes he's like, I don't want to do it. Or he'll rush through it. And we never let him get away with that. Because the more you affirm something, the more likely you are going to see that in your reality. And it's very true. Look, at the end of the day, you've seen the people who are always like, oh, it's never going to work, or oh, I can't do it, or oh, I don't want to, or the ones who complain, right? Bare minimum, you don't want to be around that person. So let's take that for half a second and go, look, if you're affirming stuff and you're saying things in a positive perspective, at the bare minimum, say you don't believe in the law of attraction at all, at the bare minimum, people are going to want to be around you more if you're just positive. But from the negative perspective, right, if you're always saying negative things, no one's going to want to associate with you. If someone comes up with an opportunity for a job, you think they're going to offer it to the person who's always negative and pessimistic? Or do you think they're going to offer it to the person who's always coming up to you with a smile, with a solution, with a way to make your life brighter and better? Well, obviously it's the second thing, right? Because we all gravitate towards that positive thing. So the first thing in the morning, which is what we do with our son, what you have to do is get out of bed and just say thank you. I'm so grateful for whatever this day is about to bring to me. I'm alive, I'm breathing, I'm happy, I'm healthy. And even if some of those things aren't true for you now, you've got to latch on to the thing that is a positive, that you are grateful for, and then watch how the things that you're grateful for multiply. It's as simple as speaking it into existence.